Hello friends, today we discuss RS nomenclature by using priority order. So in case RS nomenclature, here the most of the important point is viewpoint. So which side is very important? Yeah, front side, yeah, back side, yeah, left side, right side. So we can discuss in our discussion. But as per our regular information, please at least one time watch this video and subscribe and share. Thank you. Welcome to all. At first we discuss here Churn in Gold Prelog RS system. So here 4 groups are attached on a stereo center, means here 4 groups are different group. This center is called chiral center and stereo center. So here priority order is 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3 is greater than 4. So here the priority order is at first iodine, then bromine, then chlorine, then sulfur, then fluorine, then oxygen, then nitrogen, then 13C, 12C, lithium, and this. Then what is the important fact is here, when the carbonyl group when attach one oxygen atom and here in that case one hydrogen atom, so the priority is always high on this group. But in that case when one carbon center attached with one carbon, then this carbon center is attached with methyl group, then the priority is same. But when we go through this bond on the second carbon center, here this carbon center attached on a carbon center, but here the carbon center attached with 3 hydrogen atom, so in that region priority higher in that group. So this fact is very important fact. Important point is here, when the clockwise then R and anti-clockwise then H. So we also see here when the 3 groups present in that pattern and the hydrogen is also downside. So when 3 groups present, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, so when we see on this side, when you see follow here and the rotation, when the 4th group is downside, then the rotation is clockwise, then we called R, and then show our point of view on that side. So in that structure the point of view is very important. So in that structure here hydrogen is present here, so our point of the view starts from on this side. So here our eye is present. So in that case, but here hydrogen is here, so our point of the view here present our point of the view, but in that case here hydrogen is here, so our point of the view start from in that side. So here our eyes present is here. So here one of the, now our priority sequence is here. At first we priority order according to our priority order, here 1 2 3 4. So here only oxygen are present, so here priority order is 1, and here CH2 CH3 is priority order 2, then CH3 priority order 3, and then 4 is 4. So the rotation is 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise, so this configuration is called R. And here the rotation is 1 2 3, so here the same thing is happen here, so the rotation is clockwise, so R. And then in that case here the OH is as per our priority rule, OH is 1, and then here only one CH present on this ring, so the CH ring attached with 2 carbon center, so this one priority 2 and priority 3 is methyl and 4. So here 1 2 3, the in that case our one of the important point is the rotation is clockwise, so R. So all rotation is here clockwise. So one of the important thing is here our direction, so our point of the view at which side where hydrogen present, just opposite side. We also our point of view present on that side where hydrogen group is present, our point of the view is present in our opposite direction. Here hydrogen opposite direction, here hydrogen opposite direction. Now our next problem is when the lowest priority group towards the eyes. So here hydrogen is upward side, presents towards the eyes, hydrogen is present. So in that case we also rotate the group, then the rotation is the COOH on the upside, this one is fixed, so we can easily rotate. So here hydrogen group comes here on the down bond, so we easily replace a hydrogen, and methyl group then rotate through, and then methyl group is present here and NH2 group shifted on that position. So here NH2 group is present. So now according to our priority rule, this one is 1 and 2 3 4. So here the rotation is anti-clockwise, so S. We called S anti-clockwise. But here the same thing happen, we can use the double exchange method. Here at first we rotate the methyl group and hydrogen, just exchange the position, the mutual exchange. So here the methyl group is here and hydrogen here. But second interchange, when after we here also show here second interchange, the methyl versus NH2, the second interchange, so methyl and NH2. So after second interchange, when we priority order, when we decide our priority order, then the configuration is S. But we cannot follow our second rule, we also follow our first rule, because it's very easy as compare second method. So we also our all example, all discussion follow our first rule, just rotation. Here COOH group are fixed, just rotation 90-degree rotation is occur here, just exchange the position, hydrogen comes down and the down bond comes planar and the planar bond just comes the upward position. So this rule is very easy, first according to as compare second rule. So we follow here first rule. One of the important example is here. So when we present on this stereo center and when we go our right side, so here right side carbon number is 1, priority 1, and here in that side priority order 2, methyl 3, hydrogen 4. My question is why? Because when we go through this bond, here the one carbon, here present one carbon, when we go right side, here present 1, here present 1, but when we go the second carbon atom, here we get double bond system. So according to due to the presence this double bond system, here the carbon priority is 1, but in that case here no double bond, so here 2, and here only methyl group 3, so here 4. So the rotation is 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise, so this one is R. And our next target is here, when we consider this stereo center and when we go through this left side, the only CH2 present, and here when we go through the upward side, here we get the C1 position and 1 bromine, 2 bromine atom matter. So in that case this bond preference 1, and then here when we go through this side, here the 2 preference is here and methyl group is 3, hydrogen group is 4. So here 1 to 2 to 3, this rotation is 1 to 2 to 3, this rotation is anti-clockwise, so the configuration is S. The important example is here. Here the 2 stereo center present. Here one COOH and here one CH3H. So at first we consider on that carbon atom. So according to this carbon center, here when we go from upward side, one COOH group present. But according to this center, when we go downside, here one CH2 group present. So this bond priority high, and then our second bond, then third bond CH3 and 4. So this rotation is clockwise. This one is R. But now we discuss here this carbon center. Here we consider this carbon center, but here the stereo center we also consider. So the COOH is 1, and then 2 here methyl group attached, and here no methyl group, so here 3, this bond is 3, and then 4. So here the rotation is anti-clockwise, so the configuration is S. In that example, here 2 stereo center present, one is here, one is here, but at first we consider this stereo center. When this stereo center, then here when we go right side, then one carbon, and when we go left side, one carbon, then we go when this side to carbon to this carbon, here the any group not present, but here oxygen group present. So according to due to this oxygen group, here this carbon center is priority 1 and this side is 2, and then 3 is there simply, and hydrogen is 4. So the rotation is clockwise. This, so the R configuration. Clockwise means R. And here when we consider this carbon center, then when you go right side, one C double bond O group present, and when you go left side, here nothing C double O group. So here 1, and as per our priority rule, when you go CH2 group is here, and then the 2 is here and 3 is here. So the rotation is here anti-clockwise. Hydrogen is down. So this one is S configuration. In that case, here the supplied molecule is here. Here one carbonyl group present left side and here right side, and here the one bol 2 methyl group present. So at first we convert this molecule to on this form. So after conversion of this structure, then our as per our priority rules, here C double bond O, here C double bond O is our left side. So here this priority is 1, and then the methyl group, due to the presence to methyl group, this priority is, this bond priority is 2, and then our right side is 3 and 4, so the rotation is clockwise, so this configuration is R. And our next example, when we convert this term to this structure, so here when we go from right side bond is priority 1, so and our upward side due to the presence to methyl group, here priority 2, and then our left side 3. So here this, according to this pattern, here anti-clockwise 1 2 3, and here 1 2 3 clockwise, and then in that case S configuration. So it's very simply say that the priority. Example, here one of the important point is here hydrogen is upward side, and here hydrogen is our upward side. So here the solution is to exchange the group. So here methyl group remains intact same, and then hydrogen group comes this downside, and bromine on this upside, and C double bond O presence on this planar. So as per our requirement, C double O shifted here, and here hydrogen shifted here, and here bromine also shifted here. Now our according to priority rule 1 2 3, so this one is anti-clockwise, this one is. Then in that case 1 2 3, then our next example is here hydrogen is bold. So here at first our requirement CH3 group is fixed here, and then a hydrogen group is downside, and then this group is shifted here, and C double bond N group is present upside. So as per our requirement, C double bond N is upside and hydrogen goes the downside, and this molecule is planar. So here 1 2 3, so this one is anti-clockwise, S configuration is also occur. The example is compound containing nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. So here the one of the important point is lone pair which is lowest priority group. So here lone pair which is lowest priority group. So here the in case C6H5, here C6F5, and here methyl group is dione, and here upward side C6H5 C6F5 present, and C6H5 is on the plane. So we can fix C6H5, and lone pair we also just consider the bond, and here but here only lone pair present, but we can say here lone pair is present on this pattern. So here this group is fixed, and then when we rotate this bond, this lone pair is down, and methyl group comes on the upward bond, and this one is the planar. So the after conversion the lone pair is here, and the methyl group are present here, and C6H5 shifted here there. So the priority according to priority rule 1 2 3, so the rotation is anti-clockwise S. Here the group is here do not present any hydrogen. So here at first we labeled the priority order. So here this one oxygen is attached to direct CH2. So here 1 and 2 is here only CH3, 2 and 3 is oxygen, the only oxygen, and here 4. So at first our target is to upward bond, bold bond. Upward bond is the lowest priority group downside, so we can exchange the group. So here OCH3 group remains fixed here, and then our NCH3 group when rotate to downside, and then this group is on the planar. So here the after exchanging position, so here OCH2 CH3 group is upside, and then this group is downside. So after exchanging the position, when we consider the priority sequence 1 to 2 to 3, this one is R configuration, R. But in that order our next example is here the lone pair is present and hydrogen is present. So in that case here lone pair, here priority is 4, and here in that case when we rotate the molecule, and here the hydrogen molecule is fixed here, and then when we rotate this up bond is planar, and lone pair is shifted here, and methyl is shifted here. So what can occur, what can happen here? So here in that case 1 2 3, so the rotation is clockwise, this one is R. In this example here we also at first we follow our priority sequence. So here the lone pair is our lowest priority, so our target is to transfer downside the lone pair. So at first when we shifted this bulky group is fixed on this place. So here when we exchange this lone pair downside, this methyl group comes here, and the O minus comes here. So after exchange of this molecule here 1 2 3, the rotation is S. The rotation is anti-clockwise and then S. So our point of the view on here the 4 group is here. So downside. So our point of the view is present on this side.